How to recover a Roblox account without an email. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Roblox account without an email. To start, go to the Roblox website on your browser. Once logged in, click on the gear icon to reach the settings. Then, you will see the passwords option in the account info. Now click on the edit icon and enter your current password and add a new password. Here, click on the gear icon and log out of your account. After that, enter your username and click on Forgot Password option. Finally, select the phone option to reset your Roblox password if needed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.